If you ask somebody to sanitize a surface and they start sweeping, you would probably be confused. Now, while there's a huge difference between sweeping and sanitizing, it is an example to show you that you need to know the difference between things. So let's talk about the difference between sanitizing, deodorizing, and disinfecting, because this is a question I get asked all the time and a lot of people simply don't know. The first one to get out of the way is deodorizing. So what does this actually mean? If somebody asks you to deodorize something, it is important you follow the steps to properly eliminate the bad odors by neutralizing. So make sure you use a product that actually does that. Now remember, there's a difference between neutralizing odors and masking them. Using an air freshener is not the right way to do it. And disinfecting is another big one, but disinfecting basically just means properly eliminating bacteria and viruses. So that is something that is very important to understand. The simple way to explain sanitizing is you need to reduce the bacteria and germs on surfaces to a safe level. So public health has a number that is given the green light and you need to reach it.